And for the rest of us working folk, we get 2 weeks off. So with that, it's time to leave Christchurch and head up to Arthur's Pass. Dino Sam is just 40 minutes north of Christchurch, so we're gonna go pick him up.
Castle Hill. I'm not prepared for this one. I didn't even know we were going to be visiting a Lord of the Rings location. I thought we were just going to go straight to Arthur's Pass. So this is a nice little surprise, a little treat on the way to Arthur's Pass Village. We just left the Castle Hill Rocks. Now we're going to check out some cave of sorts. Man, oh man.
It's 1 hour to walk through the cave, that sounds like.
This is a proper cave that brings you as deep as 500 feet, was it?
590 meters.
Oh, 590 meters underground.
Do you need like proper spelunking gear?
I think so. They said 1 torch per person, helmet, warm hat, gloves, warm tops, shorts or wool, polypropylene leggings, icy water, especially from snow melt in spring. 1 hour to get to the very bottom. Check the water level here. This is where the cave stream emerges, where those folks are down there. So out of these 6 conditions, we have a hat. That's the only thing.
The 3 of us have hats.
2/3 out of 6.
Yeah, needless to say, we're not prepared to go into this cave, so we're not going to do that. Not today, Captain Dillo. We opted to take the steep, more sketchy route down. I'm just gonna go on my ass. Whee! Ling took the safer route down. There she is. A bit longer, but safe off. There we go. There's the cave. So the only way we could get is we gotta hop that bit.
Yeah, you can just walk through it.
Alright, we've decided it's not worth it, so we're just gonna head back. Oh, just keep me socks dry, how about that? What do you think, Sam? Easy enough to cross these stones here?
That is literally the worst.
Ling's going for it. Oh, that one's moving.
That's where I stopped.
That's as far as you go. Just
I don't know if these are stable.
yeah, it's stable. I think you're good. Here we go. At least I know that my shoes will be dry.
Unless they fall right in right now.
Alright, so I've made it across, so now Ling and Sam are going to follow suit. Take the old hiking boots off and just get a little wet.
What's wrong, Mr. Frodo? I'm coming with you. Alright, my camera survives another day. Nice.
Ling's yoga pants are a little soaked.
Why did you pull up the pants?
I didn't think it would be that. When I felt it, it was too late. And then it was like, oh, okay.
We've crossed the stream and we are proceeding towards the gaping hole. There it is. Whoa, whoa, slippery. I think I slipped on the same bit. That looks refreshing. How cold is this water? I mean, it's cold-ish, like 10 degrees.
Oh, I actually tasted it. It's fine though.
That's the mouth right there. We don't got head torches, so forget going into that dark abyss. Those guys are not prepared whatsoever to go into that cave. They had 2 head torches. One guy had a flashlight. No protective helmets. I wish them luck. Time to cross the stream again, so off come the shoes. Slippery, eh? That's just nice and refreshing. Alright. Why take the hiking boots off? You can just keep them on. So we just hiked around and now we are at the the start of the flow of the stream, the other entrance of the cave. This is where the broken river makes its way through to the cave. So if you were to continue like those 4 Chinese tourists did, this is where they would end up, but I don't think they're gonna get very far. In shorts and t-shirts, 2 head torches, and 1 flashlight. We can't find accommodations. Everything is booked out.
Why didn't we call again before?
I don't know.
We should have called when we were.
I told you
before
last
we even
night.
left Christchurch.
Well, we're in Arthur's Pass, and as you can see, the weather is fabulous. Not ideal for camping, so that's definitely not what we're gonna do.
If it's gonna be shit like this, there's no point in staying here.
Yeah, we're not.
Or anywhere close to here. Maybe we could check out that visitor center if there is anything good in there.
We still don't know where we're staying tonight.
We need to find a place first. So, do you want to go?
Village.
Do you want to go to Greymouth then?
I don't mind. Like, it's a fucking sick hostel, and I hope it's not booked out.
Well, we've never stayed. We've passed through Greymouth, but never stayed there. So.
Yeah, but the one time I've actually been to Greymouth and weather shit, like, it's normally really good. Like, I get in there and it's like, ugh.
It's not going to be good weather in Arthur's Pass anyway, so we're just gonna. Greymouth, but out of Arthur's Pass
to experience what little you can of it.
Yeah, this is what it is. Just a lot of that. It's pissing rain right now.
Met service says that it's moving north,
That's
and
really
we've
bad
been
weather.
going north.
We're just following the rain. Cool. So we're booked in at this hostel in Greymouth. Are we in the same room?
I requested to be in the same room as Lam Sadner.
Lad Samner or Salamander. Sad Labne,
Ladder, Lander.
So $30 a person. Not bad for one night.
Times this week, guys.
God damn!
Oh my god, the rain, the drops are so big. It feels like hail almost.
Just gotta take a piss and then we're gonna head off to Greymouth.
It'll be like that and it's sunny weather. Like, oh shit, this is everything we didn't see. Yeah. It's even more impressive.
I'm not sure if you can go any further into the property or not. Maybe. I don't know, but like there's definitely space here.
This is a cool house. This owner of the hostel has traveled extensively around the world to Africa and Bali, and he's picked up these wood carvings, artifacts, didgeridoos. As you can see, he's just littered with all the things that he's brought back. Check out our room. Whoa. Check this out.
Kind of scary.
Alright, so we're just in our rooms, we're just gonna unpack our things, settle down. There's a lot of rain that we drove through earlier today, and there's even more rain that's forecasted to come overnight. So we're not gonna be doing anything in Greymouth today. We're just gonna hang out around this beautiful hostel with tons of character. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next vlog.